Premiere Pro compress video is one of the most searched topics by video editors, and for a good reason. Large video files are hard to upload, slow to share, and can quickly fill up your storage. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to compress videos without losing quality, starting with the best Premiere Pro export settings, and then I'll share 2 free tools you can use instantly. If you've ever tried to Premiere Pro compress video and ended up with blurry results, this guide will fix that. Let's start with Adobe Premiere Pro. After finishing your edit, go to File, then Export, and choose Media. For format, always select H.264. This codec gives the best balance between quality and file size. For preset, choose YouTube 1080p or match source. High bitrate, then customize it. To properly Premiere Pro compress video, scroll to the video section and set the bitrate to VBR, 2pass. For 1080p videos, set the target bitrate to around 8 megabits per second and maximum to 12 megabits per second. This keeps details sharp while significantly reducing file size. Another key step when you Premiere Pro compress video is enabling render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. These options improve compression efficiency without adding visible artifacts. Now let's move to free tools in case you don't use Premiere Pro. The first free tool is HandBrake. HandBrake is open source and extremely powerful. Choose the H.264 codec. Set the quality slider between 18 and 22 and you'll get excellent compression with minimal quality loss. It's perfect if you don't want to Premiere Pro compress video every time. The second free tool is Clipchamp or VED.io. Both work directly in your browser. You simply upload your video, choose export resolution, and the platform automatically compresses your file for web use. Here's the key takeaway. Whether you Premiere Pro compress video professionally or use free tools, the secret is bitrate control, not resolution. Never lower resolution unless absolutely necessary. So now you know how to Premiere Pro compress video correctly, plus 2 free alternatives that save time and storage. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share, and remember, mastering Premiere Pro compress video is a game changer for faster uploads and better workflow. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.